All right, so we've got a clear max track, and that's always a good thing, especially considering that it's not filled with snow or graupel or rain that's cold and freezes on contact. None of that. We don't want anything that's winter-like this time of the year, and the good news is we're finished with that, at least for now. Hopefully until next winter, but we'll see what happens. Where it all sits right now is well up to the north and east, anywhere from southern and southeastern Canada into Pittsburgh is where that snow is falling at this point, maybe a little mix at times in some of the warmer areas up there. But for us, it's looking out and upstream, basically what's coming our way. And there is something getting going over the plains with some heavy rain up in South Dakota, another little swath right there in Nebraska, but also a lot of snow up in the Rockies. So things are churning, things are getting going. It's a low. It's eventually going to cross the Mississippi. And when it does, it lifts a warm front first, which doesn't bring any precipitation, but it does warm us up nicely. And then beyond that, cold front that's going to stall out and continue to bring showers, thunderstorms, connected to the next low in progression. And so you see how this shapes up a lot like last week, where it's several storms in series, and each one that comes through brings up that chance for rain and also brings in that chance for thunderstorms. So on the future track, not much going on for today. It's going to be sunny. It's going to be nice. It's going to warm up quickly, so enjoy it. Take advantage of it. Overnight tonight, we'll see the cloud coverage start to come back into place, and then throughout the day tomorrow, showers at first. You see that warm front lift, but then better chances for rain come in later on into the late morning hours, right around noon, with some thunderstorms there, and into the afternoon. We also have a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Most of this will be garden variety. We're not looking at too much out of this except for some heavy rain, maybe a few strong wind gusts. Getting into late day Monday, that could be a stronger system that pushes through. You see how that cold front slides in. It's out of here early Tuesday, but once again, this is connected to the next one, so eventually that will bubble back north, and then we'll continue with that active weather. The good news is we get a lot of decent rainfall out of this, and not all at one time, but another 1.5 to 2 inches possible over the course of at least the first two lows, and that's pretty decent for us. Some areas maybe quite a bit less than that, but I think the majority of us are in that 3/4 of an inch to an inch range with these first two lows that come through. Let's just talk about today, because today is going to be miraculous, especially considering that we're starting out with temperatures at freezing, below freezing in the upper 20s, and we warm it up all the way up to our normal high of 65 degrees. We're very close to that by the time we get to the 4 to 6 p.m. time frame. So yes, a very quick warm up throughout the course of the day today. It's going to be wonderful. But let's go beyond today. Let's look at the next few days. 64 today, which is normal, but then 75 by Wednesday. That's well above. Of course, there is a pendulum effect. So whenever you're too cold or too warm, it's going to try and balance itself out. So I imagine that by 75 Wednesday means that next week we're probably going to cool it down. But we still have some time before that settles in. It's just enjoying the warmth while we have it, but it's also the showers and thunderstorms that do come along with it. So for today, starting out freezing, getting warm very quickly, and a very nice afternoon with temperatures in the mid-60s, well above where we were yesterday. Now, beyond that, the showers and storms will be kind of a by-case basis. Some days are better than others for chances. Monday's still pretty good. Tuesday, definitely with another system coming in. Wednesday might be that little break in between, although there will be some showers. But we definitely get more showers and storms again by